To make a slip knot, you will need your hands and a yarn. As a beginner, I would suggest taking a bright colored yarn. Now all you need to do is take one of your fingers, pull the yarn like this, hold it, roll it around your finger, bring it to the top so that now you have 2 threads on your finger. Make sure that this is tight. Pull the back thread over the front thread, and that makes a slip knot, which we will use to make chains. Let's do it again. Take the thread over one of the fingers, put it around, pull it above. There's an X that is being made like this. Make sure that this and this are tightly held. Pull it over, and you will notice that there will be a knot here. And just like that, your slip knot for your crochet project is ready. Keep practicing, as this is one of the most basic knots that you will have to learn in crochet.